Why applying a circular economy concept impacts sustainable building performance. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how applying circular economy concepts can influence a product's environmental impact. The original location and type of material used can cause varying levels of environmental impact for a project. Applying circular economy concept can help to reduce environmental impacts by focusing on material sourcing information and waste minimization practices. 3 of the 4 green building certification has an area that corresponds with one of these 2 features. Products usually have many components as manufacturing can be extended across the globe. But the furthest the distance, the larger the impact. Material sourcing from the location where products and components were made to investigate ways to decrease impact. There are many aspects of material sourcing currently in the industry. The focus has been on specifying the distance of manufacturing locations from project sites or material within inherently low impact, such as material reuse, bio-waste materials, and recycled content. These attributes of minimum material sourcing have been used in the industry for a while, such as manufacturers or companies providing this information. Here is an example of a material report form for recycled content from a manufacturer. Again, the goal here is to find and source materials that are closer to the project site to reduce the impact that it has on the environment due to transportation. And again, looking at reusing or recycled material, which cuts down on the energy required to make the material usable. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.